Header detail applications simplify the process of viewing and managing related data by grouping records that share the same header information. Header detail applications are divided into two sections: the header section and the detail section. The header section contains summary information that applies to a group of related detail records. The detail section displays individual records that are linked to the header based on a shared key or identifier. For instance, a header detail application could be designed to track shipments. In this case, the header section would include fields such as shipment ID, carrier name, origin, and destination. The detail section would contain information about the individual packages, including tracking numbers, weight, and delivery status. This approach helps keep related data organized and allows users to view summary and detailed information together, minimizing the need to switch between records. When building a header detail application, you create at least 3 applications: the header detail application, the header application, and 1 or more detail applications. When each application is created, a database table is also created to store the records entered into the application. The header detail application connects the header application with 1 or more detail applications. This structure separates the high-level summary information captured in a header record from the specific granular data of the detail records. Let's review 2 examples of how a header detail application can be configured to effectively manage connected data. Our first example was created with a header application and a single detail application. This invoice application was created to manage customer invoices. The header includes the invoice number, client name, order date, and delivery address. The detail application lists specifics about invoice line items such as each item's description, quantity, cost, and sell price. Our second example was created to manage work orders and is a good illustration of how a header detail application can support more complex data by linking the header application to 3 detail applications. This application features a header section and a detail section that includes 3 pages. Users can select which detail page to work in, allowing multiple users to enter data within the same work order. The header section includes the work order number, description, and priority level. The first detailed page outlines the steps of the operation. The second lists the required materials, and the third specifies the expected outputs of the work order. Use a header detail application whenever you need to link records that share the same header information, helping to simplify data relationships and streamline the user experience. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. To learn more about this topic, please refer to Nextworld Help.